Hi, I'm Danielle Waller with Merkle, and welcome to our very first episode of our Amazon video series, where we're going to share with you our best practices when it comes to advertising on Amazon. In this episode, we're going to unpack enhanced brand content, which allows you to understand what should be on your product pages to stand out from your competitors on Amazon. Enhanced brand content is an underutilized feature that Amazon offers to brands to enhance their product detail pages and give a bit of their brand story. It has rich images, comparison charts, and different ways that you can sell your product and get customers your information. Enhanced brand content builds a basic brand story that helps the customer know what your product is so that they can convert. When the decision's easier and they convert, your sales go up. One caveat to using enhanced brand content is you must either be a vendor or brand registered with Amazon. To learn more about building your brand on Amazon, be sure to download our Amazon Strategy Guide. This guide will unpack enhanced brand content as well as discuss best practices for Amazon stores and product detail pages. In our next episode, we'll focus on campaign structure optimizations. Don't miss it. Be sure to sign up so you can get this episode and our future episodes directly to your inbox, or drop us an email at amazonaudits@merkle.com.